Children, good morning. We have seen about activity 7. Now we are going to start activity 8. We have seen in activity 7 about purple frog. So बच्चे, I hope you have finished about that last PDF I have already sent. So now let us start the story about purple frog. The purple frog is larger than many other frogs. It has a very fat body and short, stout limbs. Stout means fat and solid looking. Understand बच्चे? Stout means fat and solid looking. Males are 60% smaller than females. Here they given stout limbs means hands and legs. Limbs means males are 60% smaller than females. We already understand about males and females. Males means masculine gender and female means feminine gender. The small head seems too short for the body and the firm snout sticks out in a small white knob. Snout means the nose and mouth stuck out from the face. वो चिपके हुए होते हैं, उसके नोज चिपके हुए होते हैं फेस के साथ, उसको स्नाउट बोलते हैं. The purple frog has a shovel-shaped bump on each back leg and rounded toes on the webbed feet or digging. Shovel means a tool with a wide square metal or plastic blade. Bump, here a round raised area on the body. Here they mentioned bump means a round raised area on the body, not about our roadside bump. Understand बच्चे? The snout, the legs help the frog dig in the ground for insects for their meal. They use their snout for digging the land. The small clear black eyes are above the narrow mouth. Their eyes were above the mouth. Narrow mouth. The frog's mouth is only large enough to eat small insects like termites, the frog's favorite food. We have seen no in that activity 6 and 7. They eat termites. Termites means in the wood. The small rounded tongue sticks out between the hard upper jaw and the soft lower jaw. The tongue has a round tip and the frog has no teeth. They only eating their food with tongue. The tail is light brown with dark brown patches. The smooth skin is dark purple on the back that had fades to grey on the belly. So, बच्चे, they mention here the purple frog is larger than many other frogs. It has a fat body and short, stout limbs. I explained now, fat and solid looking. Males are 60% smaller than female. Its head is small and snout sticks out. चिपका हुआ. It has a bump on each back leg and has rounded toes on the webbed feet for digging in the ground for insects. उसको ग्राउंड में डिगिंग करना पड़ता है. डिग मीन्स खोदना पड़ता है. Its eyes are small, clear and black and the mouth is very small to eat only tiny insects. Termites is its favorite food. It has a round-tipped tongue and no teeth. It has light brown tail. Its smooth skin is dark purple on the back and grey on the belly. Here mentioned they all looks about purple frog. So बच्चे read out this story 2-3 times and in next video I send PDF of this activity. I explain now this story about purple frog. Here they given question 1. Which part of the frog are carefully described? Which part? So here बच्चे, which part of the body describe? Fat body and short stout limbs. Which parts of the frog are carefully described? First, body and limbs. Fat body and short stout limbs. Head too short for the body. Mention no here. See बच्चे, I modify this. You can understand. Legs and toes. Shovel-shaped bump on each back leg. See here, on leg. And rounded toes on the webbed feet. Look here, it's legs. Okay, बच्चे, understand? Eyes. Small, clear, black eyes. We have to mention here full that purple frog as per its parts of the body wise. First, body and limbs. Second, head. Third, legs and toes. Fourth one, eyes. Eyes, how's it? Small, clear, black eyes. Mouth, narrow and small. Without teeth. Here mention no. Tongue. Small rounded tongue sticking out between the hard upper jaw and soft lower jaw. Rounded up. Then they can stick insects easily. Understand बच्चे? Second question. What behaviors are described? First we mentioned parts of the frog described. Now what behaviors are described? With the help of the snout and legs, the frog digs in the ground for insects. The small rounded tongue sticks out for insects. Understand बच्चे? In activity 9 this question answer both I explain. I send PDF. Don't worry about, okay? Writing skill I send by PDF. But first we finished unit 1. Now we go as per unit 2 activity. Next video I send this PDF. Now we go as per activity 10. Activity 10. A. Milne wrote many poems for children, and he often wrote from the point of view of a child at the zoo. Is one of his poems written from the point of view of a child? Children do not always know the right names for things, and Milne illustrates this is in his delightful poem. So बच्चे read out this poem and hear them mention which words in at the zoo do not name real animals, which ones are real. So we have to mention here not real. So here buffalo, then potamus, nosers, badgers and bodgers, wallaby and mingo are not real. Now we find out real. रियल बिफेलो का क्या होता है? बफेलो. पोटेमस का हिपोपोटेमस. नोसरस का डायनासोर्स. बिजर्स एंड बोजर्स की जगह बैजर्स. वेलेबू की जगह वेलेबी. मिंगो की जगह फ्लेमिंगो. सो बच्चे, these both names of animals in the zoo at the zoo not real and real I sent by PDF. So बच्चे, we have finished this chapter unit 2. So read out this purple story about its parts of body and behavior. I will send by PDF these activities, question answers and additional question answer. Also you have to finish in your notebook. I hope this both PDF you write down. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay safe, stay home.